Sorry.
But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun
Hey.
when it starts
Alright,
to
so I'm
snow.
just checking in to make sure you're okay. I know that this stuff can be a lot to take in. But, alright, well, let's be honest, it's totally freaking crazy. You never really get used to it, but you learn to live with it. Let me know if you need any help. I'm here for you, okay?
Imperfection is beautiful.
Can I hug you?
Yeah.